What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use your RWM1203VH dual wireless microphone system. Now this microphone system is going to be great for many different applications like DJs, live performances, conference events, houses of worships, and even karaoke. So let me show you how to get it all set up. So right in front of me I have everything that comes included in the kit. So you can see the two microphones over here. We have batteries for the microphones, the main unit itself, and then a 1/4 inch cable. So I'm gonna start by putting the batteries into the microphones. All you're going to do is start by unscrewing the bottom of the microphone here. That's gonna actually reveal the battery compartment. Then you're going to take one of the AA batteries. You're gonna line up the negative side with the springs. So put that one in that way, springs on the other side, negative side. Make sure it is nice and connected. Then we're gonna take our cover, slide it back over, and turn it to the right. Then all I have to do is turn the switch to let us know that we have power. And the cool thing about the microphones is once you turn them on, there's actually an LED display on the microphone, and it'll let you know which channel you're using. So this microphone is channel 1, the other microphone is channel 2. The other cool thing is it's color coded. So orange equals channel 1, and blue equals channel 2, so you never forget which microphone is attached to which microphone volume knob. All right, cool. So once I have my microphones all set up, I can begin setting up my microphone receiver. So setting up the receiver is really easy to do since it already comes with the power cord plugged into the unit. So all you have to do is take this in and plug it into the wall. Then you have the power switch on the front of the unit, so if you turn that on, the blue lit LED display will illuminate. Now I want to show you the back of the receiver really quickly, because we actually have two microphone antennas right over here, which I can pull outward and then pull up. And this is going to strengthen our wireless microphone signal. And there's one antenna for each microphone. You'll also notice on the back we have our microphone outputs. So there is a balanced XLR output as well as a balanced 1/4 inch output. And this is how we're gonna actually plug it into either our powered speaker or our mixers so that we can transmit our wireless microphone signal through our whole PA system. So let me show you how to do that right now with a powered PA speaker. So what I have here is a BPA-8 powered PA speaker. Let me show you how easy it is to connect. So I'm gonna be using the included 1/4 inch cable. All you have to do is take this end, you're gonna plug it right over here where it says mix output. Then you're going to take the other end, and you're going to find the microphone input on your powered PA speaker. So for me, it's gonna be right over here. But before I plug it in, I wanna just make sure my volume is all the way down. So I plug it right into the microphone input. I make sure I'm in mic level mode, so for this specific speaker, I have to push this button in. Then I could go ahead and turn on the speaker, turn the volume up, turn the unit around. I'm gonna take one of my microphones over here, turn it on, and then on the front of the RWM1203VH, we actually have our two microphone volume knobs. So I'm gonna turn the volume knob up for the microphone. And if I talk into it now, you should hear me come through this speaker. And now the great thing about this is that the microphones are completely wireless, so they're not connected to the receiver by any wires. So this gives me the flexibility to walk around. I don't have to be tied to a microphone stand. And on top of that, the RWM1203VH actually has a huge operating range of 150 feet. Now, I just want to give a quick side note of a popular setup that people do with our PA speakers and microphones all the time. So what people do is they actually take a tablet and a smartphone, connect through Bluetooth to our PA speaker, and then they go to the YouTube app. And then in the YouTube app, they're actually going to search the karaoke version of a song. And when that starts playing, they're going to have a wireless microphone with the music playing through the speaker, which is a full karaoke setup. So using a wireless mic system like the RWM1203VH with a powered PA speaker is a very popular setup, but there is another one that includes a mixer. So let me show you that one now. All right guys, so for our mixer setup, I'm actually going to be using the RPM1470, which is a powered mixer. It's going to be powering these two passive speakers I have here. And for the mixer setup with the RWM1203VH, it's very similar to our powered speaker setup. The only difference is this time we are using an XLR cable. So you're going to take the XLR cable, you're going to take the female end and plug it directly into the back of the microphone output on the RWM1203VH. Then you're going to take the male end, you're going to find a microphone channel on your mixer, and you're just going to plug it right into the XLR input. I'm going to use channel 1, plug it right in. Once you have it plugged in, you can turn on your powered mixer, raise the gain on channel 1, unmute the channel, raise the fader. Now, on my microphone, I still have to turn it on, and I have to have the volume set high on the front of the RWM1203VH. And if I talk into the microphone, you're gonna hear my voice come through both of the speakers. So now the cool thing about a setup like this is that you're still getting the flexibility of wireless mics, but now you're getting added benefits like EQ and level control within the whole mix. So between the two different setups, whether you're going directly into a powered speaker or you're going into a mixer for a bigger setup, you're going to have a lot of flexibility in how you can use this wireless microphone system. You can use it for DJing, for karaokeing, for houses of worship, for public speakers, and for live performances. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful on how to set up your RWM1203VH dual wireless VHF microphone system. But again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support tech team through phone or email. As always, guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.